Okay, you know what time of year it is. Woohoo! Are you ready for some football? I know I am. You know, it's that time of year when I do my 4-quarter seafood tasting menu. Here we go. First quarter always starts with Canadian oysters. Shuck them, put them on the half shell, make sure you eat them naked. And Michael Ann, what are you going to have for the second quarter? Funny you should ask. Well, the second quarter should entail some kind of dippity-doo-dah. And I say, do some fish sticks. Just get it going. Get fish sticks. Who doesn't like fish sticks? Oh, Michael Ann, what are you going to have for the third quarter? And the third quarter is going to be my salmon poppers, my special salmon poppers. You just pop them right in your mouth. So, Michael Ann, what are you going to use for the fourth quarter? Would you look at this beautiful fish tray? Now, I'm going to leave it all up to you. You pick what's going to go in this tray. You fill your own tray. It's a 4-quarter tasting. This is the fourth quarter, folks. So, who are you picking? Who are you picking on Super Bowl Sunday? Red or green? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? No matter what, make sure it starts and ends with seafood.